I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for some help to get your baby to sleep, I have just the item for you. This is the Hatch Rest 2nd generation. It's a noise machine and also a nightlight, and I just love it so much. It's so compact. It doesn't take up too much room in the nursery, which is really important when you have a bunch of stuff in there. I also love how easy it is to use. So you can see the time on the front, which is so nice, especially if you're coming in for those late night feedings. And it's just a beautiful look, very modern and sleek. I love that there's only 3 buttons on the back, so it's not complicated to use at all. You can set your volume and your light settings on here, and you can also filter through your favorite settings by just touching that middle ring. The app is also super easy to use. Once you have your Hatch set up, you can set up your favorites that are the ones that you filtered through when you touch the ring, and you can just set the color and the sound to go with it. You can even play stories or songs to unwind, or you can have white noise for sleep. You can set schedules. It's really nice. So if you're in the market for a sound machine that is not an eyesore for your cute baby nursery, definitely check out Hatch Rest. You're gonna love it. It's so customizable, easy to use, and also really great quality. And that's my point of view.